everyone, welcome to Mrs. Gray Morning's band class. Today we are going to look at song 411, Capriccio Italien. This song was written by Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky. You know him from the Nutcracker. He is the person who composed the music for the Nutcracker Ballet. He also composed this piece of music. He was writing during the Romantic musical era, which was in the 1800s. He was born in 1840 and died in 1893, and he was Russian. Mr. Tchaikovsky had a very long and illustrious career in which he was recognized by the Tsar of Russia, or the ruler. I forget if it was Tsars at that point or if they had some other form of leadership, but the person who was in charge of his country recognized Mr. Tchaikovsky's incredible musical talents and actually paid him a salary straight from the government to have him continue to write music and represent Russia with pride. So Mr. Tchaikovsky did that, and he had a beautiful, wonderful, illustrious career. Let's take a look at his piece, Capriccio Italien, number 4.11. To begin with, take a look at your key signature. I see concert B flat major. Take note of how many flats that is for you, or sharps. Take a look at your time signature. I see 3/4 times. We are counting 3 beats in each measure, and quarter notes are the beat. Now this song is combining both slurs and ties, and as I mentioned before, in this piece you will notice that the slurs extend across the bar lines. So watch out for those. So we've got ties across bar lines, but we also have slurs across bar lines. So make sure you know the difference between our slurs and our ties. You play them basically the same, where you tongue the first note, but not the next ones. And in the case of ties, when that second note is going to match the first note and be on the same line or same space, that extends that note across both notes. So it becomes one single longer note. 2 notes that you have tied together, so they function as a single note now instead of 2 different notes. This piece has a pickup note at the beginning, so we are going to count off 1, 2, 3, 1, breathe, and then come in on beat 3, so you'll have 5 counts at the beginning. We also have a repeat sign at the end, and we've got some fun dynamics, so see if you can't catch those as well. It's a lot to keep track of, but it's okay because you can practice this song as much as you need to until you have mastered all of the concepts. Let's go ahead and play 4.11.
4.11, Capriccio Italien. There are 5 beats in the count-off.
It's a tricky one. Let's do it again. Repeat. Very good. Again, practice this song until you are comfortable with it before you move on. Happy practicing. See you next time. Bye. Oh gosh.